Chels. This guy's gonna make some smoke.
12, Tony Dunn.
For sure.
Is this Tony Dunn? Charlie, this Tony Dunn. Number 12.
Unbelievable, nothing like a Caterpillar engine.
Give me a copy while you're out there, would you please?
Check it out. Let's see what she's got. Nice truck.
We're giving complimentary passes now.
Beautiful cabin. Let's see that 1693 does. I'll be damned.
Yeah.
Well, that is a V8.
Grew up running here at the Buck.
Oh wow, that's one of the newer Macs.
The young man helping him out.
That's one of the newer Macs.
He got addicted business. He's all the time.
CH Superdog. Right, Chels? Hi.
Hi.
You better do better than that.
Bring her out harder, boy. All right. He gets to try it.
He's trying not to fry the clutch, but you got to do better than that.
You're up here from Oxford.
Yep, you got to do better than that, buddy Ro.
You got two options now. You could just get the engine speed.
Not enough.
Higher than that. There you go, hammer down forward. There you go.
Grab it.
Trying to get everybody's
That old truck is an animal. Not like a Caterpillar engine. That is a nice cab. A sweet, sweet ride. Kitty cat. Another Caterpillar gets it done.
Here comes the 110.
Like a thunder shower. Time for the Street Renegade class. This is a sweet truck. A Diamond Rio, man. Far and few. V8 Mac Attack. Got an ass in the way. Cummins KTA. 2 Mac V8s. You know, ones that make the hair stand up on your neck, there's 4 of those. Yeah, that's fine.
All right, Brent Spalding.
I'm sure being a moron to walk through here.
Avenue, Maryland. You're going to top 3 right now. You're looking at 3:35. Here we go, Jeff.
impressed.
Now is Brandon McCormick with the 1977 Ford. He's out of Federalsburg, Maryland. He had a little bit of a drive to get here this evening. We're glad to see him come up here. Not quite the oldest truck that we've got in this class.
That sounds wild. That sounds neat.
So this is definitely the next oldest truck that
Ew, that stinks.
Oh yeah, that's a V8 Caterpillar in there. Where do you see that thing go?
getting ready to come to the sled is Greg Winslow with out of Beaver Dam, New York. And I'm going to have to find out real quick just how far away that is that he drove here. And I'm wondering if he was actually down in this area, maybe making a delivery.
Not 100% sure, but we think this is a V8 Cat. And it's
So we'll
Peterbilt.
find out.
Look at the smoke, it just idled. There's some serious fuel in this motor.
Okay, so I just looked it up. From where we are sitting or standing to Beaver Dam, New York, it's 3 hours and 50 minutes to get here. And I know that's definitely not what he meant.
He's gonna have to drop one gear and do it again.
Too hard.
See, that's probably a twin stick because it's a V8. It's probably got a 6 and a 5 in it. So he has like 30 gears to choose from. He just has to get the right one. Tell you what, if he gets that to connect, that thing's gonna go.